Hello guys, just a short video on a couple of chainsaws, small only 4 chainsaws that I think they kind of look alike. Nothing to, they don't share anything other than just being a chainsaw and maybe look alike. So first one, we have the Echo CS 1201. Yeah. Brand new bar, chain. Condition is very good. New spikes, 116 cc's. It runs 58 mm piston with 44 mm stroke, double ring piston. Piston is so the transfer is cylinder through cylinder ports. The piston is ported itself. Just a nice chainsaw. Yeah, so just a nice example. The bar is 27 inch and it fits perfectly to the chainsaw. So just a nice example. Next one, that's why I said look alike. It's a stihl 070. If you look at both chainsaws, look at the handles. I'm sure Echo, they did inspire themselves from this stihl little bit. So this one is 105 point little bit, maybe 106 cc's. So call it 10 cc's smaller than the Echo. It runs 29 inch bar. Both of them are 404. If you look at the exhausts, both of them near enough the same. Even the side clutch cover looks the same. The Echo can accept the clutch drum from the 70. So again, something that tells me that the Echo indeed inspired themselves from these ones. Just a little bit. Obviously the Echo is more advanced, much more powerful, but 070 is powerful enough, believe me. I have videos on my channel to prove that. I do like this old vintage 070s, 090s. You know, I said it before in many videos. This one is in very good condition and it runs the same. Next one is this danarm 125. It's about 22 inch, 23 inch bar and chain, 404, both of them. It's just a nice clean example. Way different than the other ones. It has 63.5 piston with 42.9 millimeter stroke. So again, and the steel is 58 mil, double ring case, so case fed transfers with 40 mil stroke. So the piston, the rings, I think they'll fit to Echo. Again, they kept it to 58. So anyway, I think many chainsaws they run 58 mil pistons, like the same like 076, 075, and many others. Maybe is the you know, the recipe for a good you know, balance of torque and speed. Yeah. Okay, back to the danarm. Well, all solid cast aluminium or magnesium alloy, um, double spike, just a nice example of its own. Just another shot. Yeah, and this one, it's an stihl 08S. Okay, running chainsaw. The body is 17 inches, 404, brand new chain. Just a nice example of a stihl 08S. S, I think, coming from I believe so, coming from the safety, because it has the chain brake, so they might refer to the, you know, chain brake as a safety feature. Yeah, so all nice. Just another shot from the top. I can't say that any of this is my favorite. I like them all. They all different of its own. Obviously, if it's down to power, you know, the Echo will outcut many. Maybe I believe is close to Husqvarna 3120, maybe a little bit better than, close to stihl MS880. It's just a brute of a chainsaw. 070 obviously it's a 60s chainsaw, and but still they do perform very good. And yes, I'm always referring back to these ones because these are an iconic chainsaw. That's why they've been copied by the Chinese and many of the clones out there, because they were easy to work on, easy to run, not as much easier to operate because it's a heavy chainsaw and no anti-vibes. By the way, Echo has anti-vibes, but like I said, it's a newer chainsaw. But just as a style comparison, as a style comparing them one to another is the same, you know, all cast aluminium, magnesium alloy. Yeah, so that's my view on and guys, if you want any chilies, please let me know. Look how many. Yeah, so that was all. Yeah, just a nice part of collection. I have others here, 298. That one there 153. So Husqvarna 3120. That's the EFCO 199. That's the Jones Reed 2094. Yeah, only couple, but the main ones I wanted to show are these ones. Thank you very much. Anything you wanna ask, just ask me. That's my, like I said, that's my motto. I can answer any queries or questions, because I know how hard it is to find some answers sometimes. Thank you very much. All the best.